I noticed my eyesight going south, and my daughter and wife of blessed memory, Barbie, suggested that I see Dr. Adler because they had already switched to Dr. Adler. So I made an appointment, and he said, it's not an emergency, you don't have to do it today, but in the next 6 months, you need cataract surgery. And I was going to put it off, and my family encouraged me, don't put it off, get it done, you'll see better. And I got fabulous results, 2 surgeries obviously, and everything was good. The other reason that I really like coming here, besides in my opinion, better medicine, is that when I went to Wilmer, the waiting room maybe had 500 people sitting in there. I felt like I was in a factory. And I know they have good doctors there, that's not the issue, but I just don't like being in a room with 500 people sneezing, coughing, making phone calls, doing this, doing that. I like the small, intimate feeling when I come here. At the most, there's 1 or 2 people in the waiting room, and I don't think I've ever waited more than 5 minutes for an appointment. In addition, Dr. Adler has something that my prior doctor didn't have, and that was an assistant, I guess a physician's assistant, Shauna Rupert. And she is just terrific. She takes her time with, you know, which is better, which is better. She doesn't rush you. And I just really get the feeling that they really care about your eye health. And I've referred other people here, and it's just a pleasure going to the eye doctor. But he gives up 1 day a week to go to Dundalk to serve an underserved area of less affluent people. And to me, that speaks of a person's character. It's not just about making the most amount of money, but he knows these people need help. There's not a lot of quality eye doctors in the Dundalk area, and he goes to help out. And to me, that's just a very positive thing. So that's it. And the surgery, even though I was scared to death, was not painful. The thought of somebody putting something in my eye, I didn't like that, but it was not painful, and my sight's better, and he likes to stay on top of things. Because I come now every 6 months just to make sure everything is stable, and it's a pleasure coming. I would absolutely, positively refer my friends here. My daughter calls me the king of referrals. If I find a great credit card, a great restaurant, a great place to buy cars, anything, I always like to refer, and this would be the only place. Plus the other thing is, if you need other specialties, they're right here. And because I spend a lot of time at the beach in the summer, I wanted to make sure I didn't have melanoma, because I know that if you catch it early, you can beat it, but if you wait too long, it's going to beat you. And I was not able to get an appointment with my regular dermatologist, and I called here, and they had an opening, someone canceled, and I got in like a day or 2, and I had a very thorough examination. So, you know, and I felt good about that. I see better. I see better. I see better. That's the bottom line.